Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today we're going to take a look at Nike, a company that, of course, a lot of you will be very familiar with. Probably at least some of you have bought something from them before. They are the sponsor behind the greats such as Michael Jordan and, of course, a number of other world-class athletes. The focus today is going to be on a particular technical setup that is suggesting that there could be quite a bit of upside in this stock over the coming months. And so we're going to take a look at this pattern here that suggests that over the next 2 months, the stock could rise as much as 10%. So clicking on this is taking us directly to the actual analysis underlying it. Now, the 14-day, 3-day stochastic K-D spread is something that probably those of you who don't follow technical analysis won't be as familiar with. But for those of you who do, know that this is quite a bullish pattern. And historically, for this particular stock, over the 25 similar occasions in the past that Toggle was able to analyze, suggested a rise of 8% over the following 3 months. But actually, importantly, 3 months is really the outer edge of this, and more likely, the stock they could actually reach that level quite a bit sooner. In fact, after a month or so. So think of it as like a 1 to 3 month range rather than a 3-month range. Where would that put the stock? Well, from starting point of 131.94, it would reach around 142.98. However, of course, as always, you want to see the stock price remaining in this confidence interval here, and certainly not get below the red line here, 126.42, where the odds of this particular technical driver still being relevant would be substantially diminished. And this is the place where you really want to reassess whether or not this is still the stock that you would like to hold on to. If this fits in your portfolio, it's definitely worth taking a look. Why might it move? Well, this is the history of all of these patterns, and you can see that going back as far as pre-2000s, the stock, whenever it's seen this particular setup, has historically delivered. Looking at the past performance shows this more clearly. In fact, in almost every case, if you had invested $1 in these past 25 episodes, you would have had $4.50 of profits. And with the very, very important exception in one case where it actually went down another 20% after reaching this level, the majority of the returns have been substantially positive. So again, it looks like a relatively one-sided risk in this case. So much for Nike today in the daily brief, which by now should already be in your mailboxes. We also discuss a couple of very, very relevant topics, so please take a look. Otherwise, subscribe at toggle.global. And if you'd like to see more of these insights going forward, just subscribe to our YouTube channel or like this video, and you'll start to see more of them. We do them every single market trading day, and really try to break down the barrier between the data, both fundamental as well as technical, and try to help investors assess what is noise and what isn't. If you go to toggle.global, you can actually try Toggle Copilot also for yourself. Thanks for your attention, and we'll talk to you again on Tuesday. Thanks.